Down in New Haven, headed to our first stop in Norwalk. Got the rental Penske rig and a big old load with plywood and lumber. We're at Commerce Packaging, our first stop down here in Norwalk. They got boat parking and the ice house. We're at International Supply. They got that one pick and they got 2 boxes. Right up on the hill. Nice morning. It's like 35 degrees. Getting off 91 South in Cromwell, headed to the Lowe's. We got 3 packages, 1 unit of plywood. My buddy Ryan back there in the red truck just left Westfield, did 3 stops, and we just saw a plane. There's the plane. There's a better shot of the plane. That's where Ryan's coming from, right there. Here we are at Sherwood. It's 3 in the morning. Just strapped the load. We got a light load. We're going up to Williston, Vermont. It's saying on the GPS, chains required, so this should be fun. 6 a.m. We're up in Vermont, almost to Barrie, Vermont. It's still like sleeting. Roads are slippery. Here we are going to our second stop, Shelburne, Vermont. We had 1 stop in Williston. Already knocked it out. Let's go. We are at Rice's Lumber, and they're getting these units right here. Alright. Clear Rice. Look at that view. Beautiful. Vermont teddy bear out back there. View in the Phoenix Feed Company. Got their whole plant right there. Sun is bright. They're driving into it. Got a used car sales business over here in Rolling Hills. Our buddy Randy Ramo, their modified trailer. Their log yard. Lots of